Hi everybody, welcome back to Love What You Eat. Always here with my mother Franca, and on today's episode we are making something very simple and delicious for summertime. Matt, today what are we making?
Sangria.
And we will show you just how to make our rendition of it coming up next
on
Love What You Eat. So sangria can be done with any base of wine. We grew up doing red wine, so that's what we will show you, but you can also find white sangria recipes out there. And again, you mix it and you can cut the wine with whatever you would like. You want to add juices, you want to add another type of liquor, like my mom says that some people would add brandy to it,
yeah.
etc. If you want to add an orange juice or pineapple juice. So different flavors can pair with different wines. We are choosing classic. We would always put, growing up, sliced peaches and strawberries in there. And the longer the longer it sits, the fruits marinate. And that's what I remember at the end when all the adults were finished drinking the sangria. The kids, my siblings and I, we would always go for those peaches or the strawberries that have soaked up all the delicious wine. So that's it. We're doing classic flavors. We're just adding a spin on it, adding a little bit of citrus, some lemon and orange. But example, if you'd want to do a white sangria, you can add some grapes, you can add the citrus again, you can make grapefruit, you can add that in, you can add a splash of pineapple. Like, there's so many different flavors. Just have fun. We're doing the classic 7-Up and red wine. And my mom says often, getting used to everybody drinking wine, we would always cut the red wine with
7-Up.
With 7-Up.
That's
yes.
how they taught us how to drink wine in my generation
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, and Christmas time or whatnot, that's what we used to get too. So we used to get a glass, and it used to be 7-Up with a touch of wine.
just to color it
a little bit. Yeah, exactly. So delicious. Anyways, this is our family's tradition, and we were gonna show you just how to make it very simple. In the fridge, it's gonna go a good 3-4 hours of a marinade just to get those fruits, juices all together, and nice and refreshing to serve alongside any type of summer barbecue that you'll be having. So you saw how simple that was. Again, we just eyeballed the ingredients, so the amount of alcohol you want, or if you want it more stronger, or if you want it diluted a bit more, just go by eyeball and taste. And then my mom just mixed it around just to get the fruits a little bit dispersed and mixed around. It's gonna go in the fridge to chill, and also the time for the fruits to release their juices, but also to absorb the wine. So when you go ahead and grab that nice chunk of peach or strawberry after you finish your glass, it will be delicious. So in the fridge, at least a good couple of hours. Honestly, I would say 3 to 4 hours, because you really want those to marinate well, and then you enjoy. So we will see you at the taste test.
Yeah, definitely.
At the drink test.
Okay, I'm done.
We're laughing because the most rewarding taste test after today's day, like today was a day. We were aiming for 5. The hiccups that we had, we could have left here with 0
That's okay.
at the end of attempts, but we pulled it together, so we have videos for you. And this is the most rewarding end of a big day. We love doing this for you guys, honestly. So we really do appreciate you guys tuning in every week, giving us comments, feedback, showing us lots of love. We really do appreciate it. We're putting a lot of our family recipes out there so that for myself, it's something to pass along to the family later on, where they can see my mother cook, my dad, myself, etc. So think of it like out there for forever of having home videos of us making what we grew up with, and then also fun family favorites. And this is a good one.
Yeah,
So,
this is a good one for
yeah.
the summer.
oh gosh,
There we go.
salute.
A la salud.
Mama. And this is when I would say, give me a fork, and then I'd start to eat
It's
the
right
fruit.
here.
Oh my God.
This is what we used to do. Brings me back.
Drunk fruit.
Yeah, when my father was trying to teach us to drink wine with 7-Up in it. Favorita.
Because it gets all
Yeah,
absorbed.
and the juices of the fruit, and blended into the wine, and the wine in the fruit. Great.
The fruit and the wine and the wine and the fruit and the wine goes all around. It's delicious.
Delicious.
Again, simple recipe. You do the flavors, the fruits that you want, do the ratios that you want. If you want 7-Up with wine or wine with 7-Up, as is. Thank you very much for tuning in. You can check out our recipe website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you will be able to see all of the videos transcribed there with step-by-step photo aid to help you create to the T, or let it inspire you to make your own. Until next time, see you next Sunday, and continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Or drink. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Mm.
And that's a wrap.
Delicioso.